Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Sazzad Hasan from Dārul Qur, Sydney, Australia. Dārul Qur, Sydney is a Quran learning center for starting from the 6 years old age kids up to the 18 years of adult, male and female. Especially at this stage, we are more working on the kids of, if you have the boys from the 6 years up to 8 years, and for the girls from 6 years up to 11 years at the moment, inshallah. In future, inshallah, we'll try to introduce specialized classes for the girls from 11 years and above, inshallah, with female teacher definitely, or with myself with a curtain, it's partitioned, segregated area for the ladies, inshallah, in future. We are also working on specialized qiraat and tajweed, advanced tajweed, intermediate tajweed for the kids and adults, and we are running few classes of tajweed and qiraat for the kids and the adults in our institute here in Sydney. In our YouTube channel, inshallah, we'll be including some of those videos, especially the Al-Qaida An-Nurani Al-Fathiyya recording, as I couldn't see actually any of these proper videos or audios online, not even the books, I don't know why. I'll try to put it in my channel, inshallah. And also the Juz Amma recording, Juz Tabarak recording, Surah Al-Baqarah recording, Surah Al-Imran recording, inshallah, and so on and so forth. We'll also include some of the maqamat videos of the renowned Qurra of the world, especially the Shaykh Ahmed bin Yusuf, Shaykh Ahmed Nu'ayna, and so on and so forth, inshallah. I'll also try to put some of the Ashara Qiraat, especially the 10 Qiraats, maybe the Shaz Qiraat, who knows, like dua, inshallah. I'll try to put some recording of it as well. So subscribe with us, subscribe with our Quran YouTube channel, inshallah, support us, give us thumbs up, and share it with your friends and families, inshallah, to learn the Quran and to learn the deen of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, inshallah. Make dua for us. JazākAllāh Khaiyr. Assalāmu, Alaikum wa Raḥmatullāhi wa Barakātuh.